Here with my good friend Dr. Inder from Malaysia. We've had the pleasure of working together. And, she's been to several workshops that I've had over the years. She's attending our get-together, gathering here today in Bangkok, which is more or less an informal discussion of pretty much everything related to hair restoration surgery. Super pleased to have her. I'm sure she'll participate in the discussions today and tell us about all the wonderful things that she's currently doing down in Malaysia, in Kuala Lumpur. She has a fantastic facility down there. She does great hair restoration surgery. It's been an honor and a pleasure really to get to know her over the years. She uses a considerable amount of equipment that I manufacture, so we're very pleased to have her do that. I think you're in good hands with Dr. Inder. She's certainly on the cutting edge and always interested in the latest and the greatest in hair restoration surgery, providing her patients with the highest quality hair restoration and impeccable service. Dr. Inder.
Yes, thank you, Dr. John Cole. Thank you so much, and it's a pleasure always. I feel very excited when I meet you. You have been my mentor all the while. I've been using A to Z, all the equipments that Dr. John Cole has developed, and he's one of the pioneers for FUE. He won the Golden Follicle Award. Yeah, so it's a pleasure to be here. Thank you so much.
All right.
Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Inder from Hair Transplant Center Malaysia at Clinic Dr. Inder. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our Facebook and Instagram. In our YouTube channel, we have a lot of before-after photographs of our patients and also a lot of information on how the procedure of FUE is done. So don't forget, follow us.